Welcome back to Dan's Messy Garage. This is going to be part 15, putting a 302 and C4 into a 67 Falcon. Just went up to a couple stores and got some things I'm going to need. One of them was a brand new air cleaner. I remember when these things used to be nice. They had a real high reflective chrome on them. You can see, let me shine this valve curve up a little bit. It's not as reflective as it used to be because these used to look like the valve cover. It's shiny, but not much reflection in there. And they used to come with paper gasket that went around carburetor. Used to come with a stud. Provisions on the bottom of the air cleaner here to put a hose to go to a PCV system or wherever. You don't get any of that anymore. The only thing it came with was a wing nut. I had to make a stud. I just took a quarter 20 rod, threaded it all the way down in there. Then I set the air cleaner on and threaded or marked where it would be with this nut and cut it off. So that part's on there. Air cleaner's on. The other thing I bought was, get it out of the package. Really, it's a coupler, 1/8" compression fitting. Because my oil line came out of the oil pressure gauge, went to the 6-cylinder, like maybe in this area here. Oil pressure sending unit in this engine's way up here. The oil line in the car is not long enough. Lesser of two evils, change that whole line or put a extension on it. I'm going with the extension route because I already have some of the copper tube here. And I'm going to run it up along the top of the valve cover and around, and so the union's going to be up here somewhere. Just the way it's going to have to be. And I also bought, well, I know I put 4 of these little ferrules in the bag. I only see 3. Now there is one floating around in here. Must have gone in that hole that's in this bag. But these little guys, these are those things that you need on a Sunday night after everything is closed. I'm going to stick them in with my other fittings. And see, now that I have them, hopefully I'll never need them. This should come with fittings in it, and the ferrules in it, and yes, I see them. Yeah, they're here. So let me get busy doing this, and then I'll let you know what the next item on the list is. I've been hard at this for a while. I want to put a relay in the ignition so that all the power, everything on the ignition switch isn't going through that little puny switch. So I'm going to take the wire, comes from the switch, go to a relay, and then I'm going to run battery straight to the relay and everything coming out of it, it'll be on this yellow one. And I can run my distributor here, air conditioning, compressor, clutch dealie that I have in there, because I have a separate switch for that. And something else needed power. But I'm in the process of all that. It's taken forever. The only other thing I got accomplished was air cleaner so far. That's not saying much, but I'm still zapped from energy. It's cold. So I'm going to go in the house and get something to eat, and then come back and have some more wiring fun. Okay, I finished installing the relay. It's back on the stock tower here. And I have the electric choke wire, the coil, and distributor. It's going to be hooked up to this red wire. The coil is going to go right here. I don't have the mounting bracket yet. It's not going to be here till tomorrow. This is going to go to the coil. This is for the tack. And I'm going to change this distributor. And this coil also is coming out. I'm not going to use the MSD box. I'm going to put a all-in-one type distributor in there. It just has power and a coil, tack wire, and that's going to be in a separate video. I am just burned out today. This cold is kicking my butt. Really hard for me to make videos because when I talk, I go into coughing spells, and it's difficult just to make these short segments that you saw. I had to redo a lot of them a few times because of the cough. So it's going to be the end of part 15 of working on the 302 and C4 into a 67 Falcon. Thank you for watching Dan's Messy Garage. Please stay tuned to my channel for updates on this video and other projects. Bye.